Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2014 Mitsubishi Triton stock number 7181. It's run from the Act 2009 to the 4th 2015. It's a 4056 2.5 litre 4-cylinder 2.8 diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4056 2.5 litre 4-cylinder 2.8 diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory angle tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory angle tyre, left hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory angle tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory angle tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-speed leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,